Isang salo-salo nagsisisiyosyon.
Parang mas baby ako, tingnan mo.
Happy birthday! I wish na sana matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo. At andito lang kami para sa'yo, magpakatatag ka lang parate. And sana kahit wala kami dyan sa birthday celebration mo ngayon, I hope na maging masaya ka. Enjoy your day. And miss ka na namin ng mga tropa mo. Especially ako. Alam mo na yon. And God bless in everything you do. I can't wait to see you. Love you, Dana.
Hi, Dana. Happy birthday. And sobrang miss na kita. Sobrang love kita. Alam mo naman yun. Nandito na ako palagi para sa'yo. And sana after pandemic, magsama-sama na tayong K-pop peeps. So, nandito lang naman kami for you always. And sana hindi ka na nakakalimot. Wow! Dahil joke lang. So, ayun lang naman. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo. And yun lang. Take care and God bless.
Hello, Dana Evans. What's up? Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Alam ko, malayo mararating mo. Good luck sa career mo. May gusto rin bumati sa'yo.
Hi, Dana. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life. Good luck sa career mo. I love you. See you again soon.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Ang cutest at lovely member ng MFA. God bless you. Sana dumamit ang project mo. At saka mga big shows. Pero big shows. Basta lahat ng project. Sana okay ka. Good health. At saka stay humble. Believe ako sa'yo dahil stand first step. Good job. Again, happy birthday. More power. At God bless.
Hey Dana, Kuya Walter mga pala to. Happy birthday. Sana lahat ng mga pangarap mo matupad mo ngayon. And then stay safe always. And then yun lang, good luck palagi. Love you po.
Happy birthday. Sana maging programmer tayong dalawa.
Hi, my name is Jamie and Laniel. Happy birthday, Dana. We wish you good life and good health.
Hi, Dina. Happy birthday. Kamusta na? Long time I hope you're doing well with your career, with your studies. Be safe, be healthy, be blessed. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dana. Happy birthday sa'yo. Ikaw, tita rin mo.
Happy birthday, Dana. Happy birthday.
Nanonood dyan ng TV. Basta po.
Happy birthday, Ate Dana. Ingat ka lagi at sana lahat ng pangarap mo matupad. Sana matapos na tong quarantine na to para makita na ulit kita. Miss ka na namin. Yun lang naman. Ingat ka lagi.
Ay nak, happy birthday. I miss you. Alam ko na, since nagkakilala tayo, wala pang ML48. Until now, I know you're so strong person. You're so lovable person. Straightforward person. At higit sa lahat, matulungin na tao. Okay, happy birthday. Stay safe. Alagaan mo sa sarili mo and your family. I miss you and I love you so much. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Dana! Wishing you success in your career. Happy birthday!
Bunsoy, happy birthday sa'yo. Ayan, wish ko sa birthday mo, Bunsoy, more birthdays to come. And syempre, good health and sana maging successful ka pa sa kung anong meron ka ngayon. And syempre, huwag kang makalimot sa taas, lalo na kay Lord, and magpasalamat tayo lagi. Lalo na sa kay mama mo na very supportive sa'yo, kila Kuya mo din, and sa buong family mo. Bunsoy, si Kuya Tons, andito lang bilang kuya nyo na rin. And alam mo yan, close ako sa family mo. Bunsoy, sana magka-work pa tayo soon. And more bondings to come. And God bless. Love you.
Happy birthday, Dana. God bless you.
Enjoy.
To Dana Evans, I wish you a happy birthday. May you enjoy life and you become successful and may you reach all your dreams. I wish you good health, good luck, and more power to you. And sana kahit ganito ang situation natin ngayon sa COVID, you will still get to enjoy this special day of yours. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Dana, happy birthday. You are a very brave, fearless, and hardworking lady. So I know that you'll go far. Just continue pursuing your dreams and always take care. I miss you so much, and your ML48 sisters.
Happy birthday, Dina. I'm here to celebrate you. Enjoy your special day. You know, being ML48 member is not really easy. But you're trying to manage the membership of same time student. I know you have been working very hard. And I hope it's going to be useful someday. And I hope your wishes all come true in the future. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday to you.
Okay. Happy birthday. Dahil ako na po. May regalo ko sa'yo.
Ayun, happy birthday sa'yo. Alam mo, enjoy mo na yung araw mo and yun, wish ko lang na more blessings, more birthdays to come and yun, lagi kang mag-iingat and alam mo na yung tama sa mali. Yun, ingat kayo dyan lagi, namimiss ko na kayo. See you soon.
Happy birthday sa aking Monica Ina at sa aking bunso. You are such a good person. I feel proud and grateful and blessed for having a daughter like Lina. I salute. Sana tuloy-tuloy mo lang yan. Nandito lang naman ako para sa'yo. Ang gusto ko lang sana is ang studies mo, prioritize ko. Then your health. Thank you and I love you so